You ever come across one of those videos where they say you can make millions of dollars with a SaaS business? Well, that's kind of true, but they leave something out and don't tell you about it until you buy their course. You got to find clients, and depending on the SaaS, there's different ways to do it. But one that I see talked about all the time is that you can automate business functions for different businesses, and you can do it with Go High Level. But the thing they're not telling you is you're going to have to sell the business this automation as it's something that's either going to make them money or save them money. The reason why we see so many people attaching SaaS being a way to be a multimillionaire, you just need Go High Level, is because Go High Level has a very lucrative affiliate marketing program. So all these people selling the dream of SaaS being a millionaire business, and you just need Go High Level to sell to clients to automate their business, are part of the affiliate marketing program. And the person they're hoping to sign up is not some businesses, it's you. They get a commission every time you sign up. Now your job is to go sign up businesses for business automation. And that's the hard part. And it's not like Go High Level is an MLM or anything. It's actually a great software. They just have an affiliate marketing program. And there's these individuals that found this other way to generate revenue for themselves by not selling it to businesses, by selling it to suckers looking to be millionaires. So don't be a sucker. If you want to see real side hustle reviews, subscribe to me. On to the next one, guys. Peace.